How to solve copyright issues with YouTube. Firstly, you come to YouTube Studio and then under channel content, and let's say I go to live session and then I click here filter by copyright, the second one time, and then I have two videos that's copyright because of the music right here. So what I can do is I click see details one time, and then they will say what happened, the channel, there's nothing affected the channel because there's no copyright strike. There are no visibility restrictions. This is the music that is copyrighted and doesn't restrict your video at the moment because this channel is not monetized at the moment. Not yet 1,000 subscribers and not yet 4,000 private watch hours. So what I can do is can see the details here. Alright, so they will say the content is found in which part of the video from 3 minutes 41 seconds to 6 minutes 58 seconds. Content type audio, the equipment is NTUB, network music. So, and then I scroll down. Impact on video. If you are a member of the YouTube partner program, this claim may affect your ability to monetize because when you're monetized, right, then you cannot have any copyrighted videos. So what you can do now, you can do is to resolve the claim. You can choose to edit the video or to dispute the claim. So right here, I take action. I click one time. Alright, from here you can see what the actions to be taken. Number one, erase the song. Remove the claim song while keeping other sounds such as speech or mute all sound. Secondly, replace song. Pick an audio from the YouTube audio video audio library to replace the claim audio and resolve the claim. Number three, trim out the segment. Cut out both video and audio of the claim segments to resolve the claim. After that, you can continue. And the last one will be dispute. If you have the necessary rights to the content or other reasons, you can press and claim the dispute. It takes up to 30 days for a final resolution for the claimant. Your channel won't receive a strike if your dispute gets rejected. You can click the blue color button to learn more. Basically, the dispute is like the music belongs to yourself. You are the owner. So, and then YouTube say that another party claims the song, so you can do a dispute, and then YouTube will judge accordingly and give a decision in a short time. So normally what I do is if there's a copyright strike, I'll do a erase song because this is the easiest, fastest, and then I press continue. Alright, so right here, all you need to do is just press save one time, and then they say common changes. Once you edit are applied, they are permanent, can't be undone. You can still retrieve your original video with Google Takeout. What to expect, it may take minutes to hours for changes to apply, but then I've done this many times because when I'm doing the video outside, the music, there will always be music on the streets, in the cafes, in the supermarkets, in the cinema, at the cinema area. You cannot avoid unless you choose not to do a video at that time, but then you miss out a lot of opportunities. So this is just part and parcel of the YouTube journey. And then I would say that it takes about less than 30 minutes, maybe like sometimes 10 minutes only for the changes to apply. And then during processing, viewers will see the current video and editing will be unavailable. So you can only edit one time for one copyright. After the edit is successfully applied, we will update any visibility or monetization video restrictions. It means that after the edit is finished, right, there's no more copyright strike, and then copyright claim, sorry, it's not copyright strike, copyright claim, and then you can see that there's no more copyright. And finally, acknowledge that the changes are permanent, and then press confirm changes one time. Okay, so now YouTube is like editing the video, removing the video right now. So what you can do here, you can see that there's no more button to press. So all we need to do now is to wait. Alright, we'll wait. Alright, at the time of editing, it's 2:22 p.m. Let's see how long YouTube takes to take out the music. Alright, this is an update. YouTube has take out or remove the copyrighted music. So what happened? They will say that no copyright issues were found in your video. Channel not affected. Visibility no restrictions, and then you can see content use and content type. There's nothing here. That means the copyrighted music has been taken out, and that's a good news. So now I'll close this window right here. Alright, so let me refresh the screen and just wait a while. Okay, good news. Under the filter copyright, under live, there are no live stream that is copyrighted, so all is good and good to clear. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and give a like. Thanks very much, and I would like to see you guys in the next video. So take care everyone, and bye bye.